All right, let's see what we're doing. Find the missing interior angles. So that means D and E. And what information do we have? We have the exterior angle, and we have one of the opposite interior angles. Okay? So, one place to start. I know these two are supplementary. So I'm going to do 180 minus 110 equals 70. So angle E is 70. All right. Couple ways to get D. I know if I add 55 to D, I'm going to get 110. So that means if I do 110 minus 55, I'm going to get angle D. So it's also 55 degrees. If that didn't make sense to you, you can add 70 plus 55 to get 125. All three of them have to equal 180. So multiple ways to get your missing angles. So we have 70 degrees and 55 degrees. All right, so now we're building some layers now. Let's find the measure of this exterior angle, XCB. This angle right here, which they are telling us is 2x plus 15, okay? So what do I know? I know these are my opposite interior. I know if I add 70 plus 45, it's going to equal this exterior angle, which is 2x plus 15. I'm going to combine my like terms, and I'm going to get 115 equals 2x plus 15. Two-step equation. I need to get the 2x by itself. I get rid of the 15 on both sides. I'm left with 100 equals 2x. When I isolate my variable, I get x equals 50. That's not the question. They want to know, what is the measure of this thing, right? So I'm going to take my 50, I'm going to put it in the place of this x. So 2 times 50 plus 15. So I get 100 plus 15, so it's 115 degrees. I hope you are thinking right now, like, why did she do all that? I didn't have to do that at all. Hopefully, you just added these two numbers together, and we're done. Because 70 plus 45 is going to give you your exterior angle, right? Just because they gave you this doesn't mean you have to use it if you don't need it. You have all the numbers you need. So you could have just added those together. But either way, if you took the long way or the short way, you're going to get 115 degrees.